first I heard of it was on Twitter yesterday, so we haven't heard anything about it. So I've only got to review it over the last few days, and we're not really impressed with it. The markings are not well laid out, and it's very confusing to cycle through it.
Normally we'd be informed if something is going to happen. We are looking at markings and lines on the street around College Green, an area which is really heavy with traffic, as we can see here today. It's really disappointing, the level of communication from the City Council on these issues.
A lot of people on Twitter have been posting the confusion, the lack of road markings, and when you're coming up from Pearse Street, the cycle lane just begins. There's no continuity from Pearse Street to this College Green location, so you would only come upon the cycle lane without any signage, without any proper direction or guidance. So it's a bit confusing.
In terms of College Green, it's a very, very busy area. You have trams, you have buses, you have taxis, and huge volumes of them, not just like they're coming all the time. And cyclists then are adding to that mix, and pedestrians to the mix. There are thousands of pedestrians coming to this area every day, as there are thousands of cyclists. So it's something that has to be planned for. It doesn't just happen. You don't put in something overnight and without any consultation or any planning on it. And that is the real disappointment. So far, no signage, no proper signage. Cyclists don't know, do I turn left, do I go right, do I cross the tram lines, do I stay in the middle of the tram lines, what do I do? Those kind of things had to be made clear.